two-letter sound. It's where the E and W make the OO sound. OO, OO. So E and W make the OO sound. Make sure you're saying this sound with me at home. OO, OO, OO. Yes, well done. So two-letter sound, OO. Okay, a bit like this sound here. Okay, that also makes the OO sound in words like spoon. Okay, so let's put this sound into some words today, shall we? And the first one is new. New. Okay? Ooh. New. Ooh. New. Okay? The new marker is working well. Okay? New. Brand new. Not old, but new. Ooh. 3 letters, 2 sounds. Okay, next one we have is flu. Okay? Flu. Ooh. Flu. We've got 2 adjacent consonant sounds here, so we need to blend them quickly together. Make a fl sound. Okay, flu. Okay, the bird flew through the sky. Flew. Okay, and finally we have another sound which is new, or another word which is new. New, as in not new as in this new, but new as in to know, but in the past. Okay. Ooh. New. Ooh. New. I knew the answer yesterday. I knew it. Okay, so these 2 words are homophones. They make the same sound, but they have different meanings. So something which is new and something that you knew in the past. Okay, ooh, new. So 2 2-letter sounds there, so that makes 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 sounds, ooh, new. So the k is silent in this 2-letter sound here, okay? So, another thing about this sound is that you'll usually find this ooh spelling pattern, this ooh sound, at the end of words, okay? And also, usually, not always, but usually you'll find them with past tense words, okay? So words which have happened in the past. So like flew is saying something flew in the past, a day ago, a week ago. And new is talking about something you know in the past, like a day or a week ago. Well, not always, because obviously this one isn't a past tense word, okay? Okay, so thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.